morning all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the oil indicator or the oil surface indicator of an Opel Insignia 2012 model. After changing the oil or the filters, you have to reset it on the menu. I'm going to show you how I did it. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, I'll be showing you this twice, so you don't have to rewind the video or watch the video back. You can keep looking at it. Let's start by turning the ignition off, then the ignition on. Then we have a button on the left thumbstick over here, the menu button. Press it once, and as you can see, this indicator comes up 74%. Then you have to press this button over here. There is a push button. Push it, then you'll get a question. Turn it with this to yes or no. Once you want to confirm, press yes. Then you'll see that the indicator or the oil life is set back to 100% again. So once again, ignition off, turn the ignition on, press menu once, then press this over here, start, turn it to yes, press again, and you'll see that the indicator is due to 100% again. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you, and have a look at our channel. As I mentioned, we have more than 350 other videos. I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.